Look at the carnage that's played out in some of these, frontline names. Look at a trend that's fallen about 5.5%, a little bit of a recovery somewhat. BEL down 4.25%. There's been a Tata Motors which has taken a knock of about 3%, 754 thereabouts on the futures for this stock. There's been M&M which has fallen about 3%. ONGC we've been flagging off from the word go today. And I also want to see what's happening within the broader end of the market. Look at Lodha. That's down almost 9%. Of course, it's an F&O stock. A Policy Bazaar has cracked about almost 9.25% as well. There's been Adani Green, which has taken a knock of about 9%. Relentless selling in Kalyan Jewellers in specific, another 8% of a fall today as well. Paytm is down about almost 7.5% today. And I want to check in on where DMart is closing the day after those earnings, which were a miss on all counts. And of course, that management change as well. A 5% cut is where DMart as well closes the day, with Avenue Supermarts at 3,500 thereabouts. Other than that, of course, like we've been pointing out, the carnage across sectors, the carnage across individual names from within the broader market has been quite significant. Naukri fell off about almost 7.5%. Zomato also has cracked, by the way, a good 6.5%. 228 is where Zomato is, and I think these are levels we've not seen on Zomato in a very, very long time. Supreme Industries, SVGN, there's been Adani Enterprises, Indian Hotels, which has cracked about almost 6%. 759 is where that stock shuts shop for the day. DLF has cracked about almost 6%. Oberoi Realty, I think sectorally, other than banks, because of their weightage and some of the specific IT names, it's really been Realty which has really taken it on the chin, be it an Oberoi Realty, DLF, or for that matter, Lodha, which has been your biggest laggard from within the real estate sector. Shrishti, what are you spotting?
I'm actually looking at some of these names that were actually successful in holding on to the shade of green. Aditya Birla Capital is ending the day with 1% gain after that Morgan Stanley upgrade. A good day coming in for Biocon after the Malaysia facility USFD approval. MSCI inflows in the FI holdings is actually quite less in IndusInd Bank, and Nuvama believes that this could be one of the key additions, and some inflows can be seen in IndusInd Bank. HCL Tech is also one of the stocks that we have been tracking. Results awaited, is also shutting shop with almost flattest sort of a gain. Reliance Industries actually did support the markets, would say, because that's ending the day on a flat footing. No significant pressure coming in from Reliance Industries rather, but HDFC Bank, a cut of over percent, did weigh heavy on the Nifty Bank Index. Sectorally, definitely, yes, it's Nifty Media actually that is down about 4%, followed by Nifty PSC Basket, Metal, Energy, PSU Bank. These are some of the sectors that have fallen over 3% in today's trading session.
Okay, and with that, we're going to wind it up right here at this edition of Closing Trades. We'll see you again with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.